Hey guys, have you wondered how to saddle pipe using an oxyacetylene torch? Well, this is probably one of the most common tools and methods of coping, saddling, notching, or fish mouthing pipes. So we're going to show you exactly how in this video, so stay tuned. All right guys, for safety using an oxyacetylene torch, you're obviously going to want some gloves. It's going to be hot. You got flames, dealing with flames. Want some safety glasses that also are protection for the flame and everything when you're cutting. So be sure you got that. Also, you want to make sure these can be very dangerous. You don't want them to fall over, so you want to make sure they're completely secure with chains or wherever you're using them. They're secure, and that you don't have any flames or anything around and letting too much of the acetylene or anything out to cause any issues there. So make sure you got your safety protection, eyeglasses, your gloves, and let's dive on some of the tools you need when using this as a method for saddling pipe. All right guys, tools that you need to do this for notching pipe. Obviously you're gonna need your oxygen bottle, your acetylene bottle, and your torch. You're gonna need your striker, okay? You're gonna wanna have a tape measure and one of these pipe guides. So super handy to have a pipe guide. They have different sizes for different size pipe. 2 3/8 is what we're gonna be using today, but they also have, you know, for 2 7/8 or 3-inch or 4-inch, they go pretty large. So really handy, a marker to mark it. Obviously we've got these pipe jacks right here to hold our pipe out, especially when you're out in the field. Super handy to have. And a grinder. Grinders are really handy when you're using a torch to kind of clean up a little bit. So, and one of these flap discs. And some of these products you can find on Amazon. We'll leave a link in the description to help you guys out. But let's show you guys now step by step on how to saddle pipe using oxyacetylene torch. All right guys, so what might you use a saddle for? Well, out in the field, if you're building fence in particular is what we're talking about today, for a top rail. So say you're doing top rail no climb, you got your post, you saddle it, your top rail goes right there, you weld it real nice. Also for rails, you got your post, do some rails. Say you're doing gates. There's also a lot of different applications, whether you're building the cars or rolling cages, whatever, bumpers, different things you're gonna need to use saddle for. Let's show you exactly how to do this now. Okay, so you're gonna wanna mark it first. First step, mark where you're gonna be cutting, okay? Use your pipe guide to guide you on where you're gonna be cutting it, okay? So you're gonna use your pipe guide, you're gonna mark it. Now if you're doing a rail and you need a measure, obviously sometimes this might be in the middle of your pipe. So we're gonna start here at the end. All right guys, we're gonna get started with the torch. We'd like to have these set acetylene around 7 and then the oxygen just under 30. We'll say around 27 or so. But we're gonna pull our line over. So make sure you're all turned on. Okay, we're all on. We're gonna turn our acetylene on. Get it lit. And you're gonna wanna go just right before it starts smoking. Okay, and then you're gonna add some oxygen. And you're gonna get it down. It'll look nice, just like that. Okay? Right now, we're gonna come over here to our pipe. And you're gonna wanna start towards the end of the pipe, because it's the easiest to get it nice and hot, red hot right there. And we're just gonna follow our mark now, okay? Be sure when you're using this, you're gonna wanna make sure that you're pushing this lever all the way down, okay? You want that oxygen to push that metal out. We'll do the other side now. Okay. Now we're gonna, all right guys, now we're gonna check it. Obviously we got a little bit of debris there that we're gonna clean off with the grinder. You can hit it with the grinder real quick, but you can see there, not too far off. Clean it up real quick with the grinder and we'll check it. Hey guys, if you like what you see in these videos, be sure to like and subscribe for more great videos. Thanks guys. All right guys, we just got to clean up a little bit. You can see there we got a nice fit and it's ready to weld. So obviously it's handy to have a grinder unless you're really good at it, which you'll probably get as you do more and more and more. At least get it nice clean a lot with the tip, but fits nice and snug. Good clean finish for a nice weld on there. So guys, that's an easy way to notch saddle cope, or another word for a fish mouth pipe when you're out on the job, especially if you're hauling out doing a bunch of fence. These acetylene torches are really handy to have on your rig. So hopefully that answered a lot of your questions. Quick and easy method. Thank you guys for watching. There's another video. Be sure to click it for other great methods on how to cope saddle notch pipe. Thank you guys.